Oh yeah, this is real good. Hello, I'm your college cook, and today we're going to be making some authentic Mexican rice. Arroz rojo is a staple side dish for any Mexican meal, so you better know how to do it right. If it's perfect, you can just make the rice and be done without having to make anything else to go alongside it. My mom taught me and my sisters how to make it, so I have to be careful making this on camera because she watches these videos. Y me va de la chancla si lo hago feo. This is honestly a pretty straightforward recipe. Only has about 5 ingredients if you include water. If not, it's just 4. If you mess up your first time, it's okay. I did too, trust me. Jesus. Oh god. First ingredient on the chopping board is going to be an onion. Now all I gotta do is give this fellow a small little haircut and that's it. For every cup of rice, you'll need about 1/5 of the onion. So this is a good amount. That's about it for the cutting board. The rest is even more straightforward. Get a cup of long grain white rice and rinse it to remove any excess starch. Remember that, long grain rice. This is the rice type that Mexican rice is made out of. Short grain or brown rice work too, but not as well. Medium grain works fine enough. Just use less water if you use medium grain. If you don't have a measuring cup in your supplies list, a regular standard mug will work just as fine. Once rinsed and cleaned, leave your rice to the side until we need it later on. I didn't know I could do this until someone on TikTok showed themselves doing it. Look at it. That's great. Anyways, now we got our pork pot and plop it down the stove, setting the heat to about medium and letting it heat up. Dropping a little bit of vegetable oil, and once hot, dropping in the onion slices. I want to have the onions have a little darker color to them. That's about good. Once the color changes, get your rice and plop it in and begin to stir. This is different from other rice recipes since usually for rice you have to leave it in the water to cook, but for Mexican rice, we like to roast it a little bit beforehand. Just enough to change the color, just a little bit. After a few minutes of stirring, we're going to quickly get a can of tomato sauce and drop it onto the rice. Start to mix until it's thoroughly combined and we're almost done. All we need to do now is get 2 cups of water and pour it in carefully. We'll also be adding some chicken flavor bouillon. The amount of water is based on the amount of rice that you'll use. A good rule of thumb is a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. I put a little bit less water than that though, since the tomato sauce adds liquid to it, and if I put too much, it'll come out as mushy rice. Mix it a little bit until it looks like the caldito from a video we made way back when. That's it. All that's left now is to cover the pot with a lid and leave it alone for about half an hour. Once ready, I like to fluff up the rice by moving it around. You don't have to do this, this looks nice. All I gotta do now is serve this up on a plate and try it out. Oh yeah, this is real good. My mama makes it better, but this is still pretty good. This was pretty straightforward, honestly. I hope this video helped you out, even if just a little bit when it comes to making some authentic Mexican rice. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.